We are at the Barefoot Resort Marina. We're going to be staying at the FLOHOM here. This is a luxury houseboat located right on the marina. And Barefoot Landing is right across the way with shopping and dining, resort style vibes. Let's go check it out. Come on in, let me show you around. The open floor plan living space was comfortable and inviting with many amenities included. The kitchen is stocked with pretty much everything you could need. They even have appliances and cookware and spices. You could cook and enjoy the space rather than just feeling like you have to pack everything for your trip. Felt like a home away from home. It is equipped with everything that I'm gonna need for my husband to cook tonight. Hey, I am a good sous chef. The bedroom has a king-size bed and a small desk if you want to get some work done. There is a TV and 1.5 bathrooms with some extra luxury touches. While I made myself comfortable, Larry opened the bottle of wine and prepped our charcuterie board before we headed up to the rooftop. Okay, we are upstairs on the rooftop and these views are amazing. So this can hold like a huge family that is gathering for dinner underneath the stars. I cannot wait to check out the fire pit tonight. Like once that's lit, these views, I'm golden. Just being on the water and enjoying each other's company, we had music playing in the background. It was just one of those romantic getaways. By far, our favorite feature was the fire pit on the rooftop. We loved just sitting there as the sun set and the boats going by. Now this is what we call life. The next morning, I got up before Larry did. I wanted to see that sunrise and grab a cup of coffee up on the rooftop. Good morning. I am feeling very rested. I have my cup of coffee, and then I think I'm gonna go upstairs and do some yoga and check that out. There are so many little ways to actually enjoy the space. The rooftop was the perfect place to fit in a little morning yoga. Larry, of course, started making a quick breakfast for us. The FLOHOM really gave us the perfect balance of comfort, luxury, and feeling at home, while still having all the things that make a vacation feel special. If you're planning a trip to North Myrtle Beach and want something a little different from a traditional hotel stay, FLOHOM is definitely a place I would recommend checking out.